Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I did a 3-in-1 get ready with me. I'm actually going out. Normally when we get ready with me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going somewhere right now. I'm so late, so I have to rush this intro. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I dress tonight, my makeup and my hair, continue watching.
Yeah. TikTok this up, you look fat this up. Me love your curve them.
Okay, so I'm going to curl my hair first and then do the makeup after, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I still don't know what I'm wearing as yet, but we'll figure that out when it's time, and I'll show you guys what I put together. This is a 22-inch straight wig. I got it from AliExpress. I'm not telling you guys the vendor because this length is not true to size. I'm not even advertising. I'm not getting a free cloth because the length that I don't believe this is a 22-inch. I actually had to add more bundles in it to make it look more fuller and more longer because it was very short, and I left a review on it. But yeah, I don't know why them have to lie. Like, give me my pay for now. Make me pay for a 22-inch. Give me my 22-inch. Why the hell are you giving me an 18-inch or a 20-inch or 22? Like, just charge more or whatever. Don't fucking lie to me. But yeah, I will be curling it. The flat iron that I'm using today is the Babyliss flat iron. I don't know which inch this one is, but you guys can see how it's looking. I dyed the hair black. Well, I tried to dye it jet black. I did a watercolor method, but I did not leave it on for too long because I didn't want to spoil the lace. I did not want to chance it at all. Yeah, because the last time I actually tried it, the lace, it didn't spoil much, but it just had a little black on it, so I never want to deal with that today. So I'm just literally leave it for like 5 minutes to make it get a little black. Since recently I've really been loving black hair, so I just dyed black. I have been loving the growth on my channel since recently. I love the support on that show. I'm not gonna lie, me really like the support on that show. My videos have been getting, you know, views. Like normally my video them would get all 200 views, but no, the views them gonna skyrocket. I'm really appreciative of that. Also, by now I hope you guys realize that I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a 2K subscribers giveaway. When I reach 2K subscribers, I'll be announcing it. So far we have 40 plus entries. A lot of people is participating in this giveaway. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to reach 2K so we can announce the winner. And the prize is actually a $100 gift card from Shein. I actually wanted to make it more, but my friends were like, $100 is already a lot. Why are you trying to make it more? But I just feel like if I give you something, I'm if you give something expensive, you know, like, yeah, even though Shein clothing is cheap, if we get a $200 gift card, if we go shop on them, the amount of clothes they can get like 20 plus close to $200. So that was what I was planning on giving away. But I'm saying, you know, I'm gonna keep it nice and simple and make it be $100. Probably when we reach 5K subscribers, I'm gonna do a next giveaway, a more expensive one. Yeah, I like nice things. I like nice things, so I like giving people nice things too, especially people who support me and is, you know, yeah, them genuinely support me. So that's why I'm doing the giveaway. As I said, the winner will be announced as soon as I reach 2,000 subscribers. So on the note, it's up to Uno for to get the giveaway, right? It's up to you guys. So the sooner you subscribe, the more you share, the more you tell the friends about it, the quicker you get for win. So it's up to you guys. So the quicker I reach 2,000 subscribers, the faster I know who win, and the faster I get to enjoy giveaway. And I would really like for me reach 2,000 subscribers before summer, so I can get to the niceness of summer. As you guys saw on the poster, that the giveaway is international. So if you're in Jamaica, you know, you can always you can enter, you can share stuff with a friend name. Anybody can enter. Canada, America, Africa. Yeah, you could, once you support me, once you're a supporter of me, you could enter. Even if you're not support, just act like you support, and then yeah, you could enter and there's a chance of winning. But I would definitely like it to be somebody that actually genuinely support me. I want to see someone winning a life. Yeah, I want to know him. This curling iron is from Amazon. I'll have it linked below if you're interested in getting it. I always wanted a curling iron, and every curling iron I buy locally is a scrap, is straight up crap, bull crap. So I say, no, I'm gonna just order one and get good quality things instead of keep on spending my wasting my money buying stupidness. I decided to just order the curling iron. I also got a curling wand with different with different attachments. They have all different size curl barrels. So I got that. I got this comb. You know, normally when you use the normal plastic comb and you do the chase method with the flat iron, the comb normally, like for example, the comb normally bun up. So I got an iron comb or a steel comb, so you know I could do the chase method without it burning up. And yeah, the curling iron comb and a curl barrel. I just feel like money for invest. Money for invest when it comes to more wig them. Like if me get good quality wig, me need good things to make the wig last, you know. And even though this hair company messed me up with the hair length, it still takes curl properly. As you guys could see, the hair is curling very well. It ain't got no problem when it comes to curling. It holds the curls. Whenever I order like ready-made wig, like machine make wig, I always order like a NYX bundle, just so it could be more full, because I hate thin hair. Like the hair could be cheap, but sometimes when you just have thin hair, like you could still attract them individually. That just so because this hair with the additional bundle was for more than $200 and it looked expensive. And once they dye jet black, they said, are you guys ready for summer? Because I sure am. Like I ordered a vlog camera, so you know summer will be lit, guys. Like every event that go on summer, I am going. And just so you guys know, Angola is where I'm living is COVID free. So whenever you guys see me vlogging or anything like that, I'm gonna have on a mask. Please don't comment with your mask or anything like that, because Angola is COVID free. Like no local resident has COVID when I have corona. The government is doing a very good job in keeping the island COVID free. I also plan on getting vaccinated, so I'll vlog the journey of me getting vaccinated. Me and take the vaccine because I need to travel. I really need to go to Jamaica, so I plan on taking the vaccine. This summer I'm vlogging everything. I got myself the Canon G7X. I mean, I already do have a camera, which is what I'm recording on, but it's so big. The camera that I'm using currently is the Canon, what is it, SX60. Yeah, so I was watching another beauty influencer and she was like, this camera is very good to get for beginners. It have a viewfinder, this stuff on the turret. So I said, okay, let me just get this one. If I knew about the G7X back then, I'll probably get the G7X and just call it charge. But everything happened for a reason. I got this, and I will be vlogging with the next one. Since recently I've gotten into the whole manifesting thing. I mean, I always knew what manifestation is, but I wasn't doing the scripting and all of that. But since recently I'm getting into it, and I'm gonna show you guys receipt. Like every single day, unknowingly, when I take out my phone, look on the microwave while driving, I see people license plate number. Every single day, almost every single day, I'm seeing the number 1111. I'm gonna show you guys receipts, just so you guys know I wasn't lying. I wanted to make a TikTok video talking about it. I don't know, I've been feeling to make a TikTok video talking about it, but you know, I kind of shy. I'm kind of shy with TikTok, do a TikTok thing, but I know I'm more open on YouTube, so I wanted to bring you guys in. All of the spiritual people that's watching this video could probably explain to me. I now know what the number 1111 mean, because I did research after seeing it so much. I did research to see what it meant, and basically it's saying whatever I'm manifesting is coming true, and I have to be careful of what I'm thinking and all of that. And that is so, like, just to know, say, let me tell you an example, a scenario. At night, I was scripting in the night, because I was scripting at night most of the times. I was scripting, I was writing down like things that I want for myself, or things that I want for my YouTube channel, you know, just basic things that me manifest. And like mid-manifesting, my baby started crying. So she's sleepy. So I said, okay, let me turn off the light, put her to sleep. And as soon as I'm finish putting her to sleep, I take out my phone. It's literally 11, and I was like, what? But them time I never research it, I never know what it means. Because I keep on seeing it, but I didn't care to like research it. So I said, let me take up my research what it means. Some research what it means, and I was so shocked because basically mid manifesting, I'm gonna say the number 11. Yeah, that was so like, that was like a spiritual awakening. Just to say what I'm manifesting is coming true, and just to see that the universe is like showing me, you know, in that way. So I was so, oh my god, I'm spiritual. To see that what I'm manifesting is coming true. I'm seeing the number 11 so often. I mean, positive things is coming into play because I'm only manifesting positive things. You know, only putting positive vibe, positive energy out there, making amends with everybody that I need to make amends with, because you know, some people are manifest for good things and them do bad things, and that's not me. I really want, you know, just positive vibes. I feel like I'm at that age now, I'm very mature now, and I don't want a negativity run. Like, honestly, like everybody that I had a problem with, I falling out with, like, because I normally follow the people for nothing. Like literally, no, you could talk bad about me, I'll stop talking to you. So yeah, I had to make it up to everybody. I had to like hold myself accountable for whatever. Even if it's not me, I still, you know, just positive thing. But I still go and apologize and try to make it up to the person. Because as I say, you cannot try manifest good things, positive things, and your attitude dirty. You know, like it's contradicting. You only want positive vibes. So that's it for the hair. Now it's time for the makeup. I don't know what kind of makeup look I'm going for. More likely I'm gonna end up doing something natural. I'm going to the club, so you know, I'm gonna really want to dramatic. This is a realistic get ready with me, not like one of them, you know, when you just do all kind of colors just to put on color sake. I am going out, so I'm gonna tone it down, keep it very natural. My eyebrows need to be waxed star shape. I haven't done them in a minute now. I do have some content planned for you guys, some very nice and interesting content, but I just have to wait for the right time to actually film them. I don't want to jump the gun and do it, because a lot of time, like when I'm supposed to do a video or content and like it's not the right time, the video don't come out. So I just rather wait on the right timing. I don't know when is the right timing, but yeah, I'm gonna keep the consistency just so you guys. I did promise to upload twice a week, but maybe honest to do now once a week I can manage for now, but until I could like have the freedom to record any time of the day, you guys will be getting content as often as I would love. But for now, I only could record in the night, in the night times. But as soon as I get the freedom to record any time of the day, may drop content like on hot bread. Content coming. So yeah. Okay guys, I had to come off camera to do something to my eyebrow because it was not working out just now. Seeing that my eyebrow needs to be shaved, it kinda harder to do them. I'm actually late. I just realized the invitation was at 10 o'clock and it's now 10:20. It's 10:20, but it's whatever. And I spent hours on top of live just now, like live take up my time, and I actually like going on live. I will definitely be going on live more often. The people in festive bar, I really like them. Them feel nice. You know, I'm doing my foundation now. I just used the baby skin primer. I haven't used it in a while, to be honest. I bought one today just so, you know, to use. I'm putting on the foundation now. This is a mixture of the Barn Sway by Too Faced and the Wet n Wild. My go-to foundation, like my mix of two of them. I know it kind of look, you know, off, but once my conceal and all of that highlight, it's going to tone down a little bit. I don't really want any makeup on my lace, so I have to blend properly around it. I don't like when makeup on my lace, especially like when I take off the makeup and it's still on my lace. Thank you. Okay, so now that I have on my foundation, I'm going to highlight, and I'm using the shade Fawn, I believe. Yeah, this is Fawn from LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm just going to brighten it up a little bit. Now that I'm finished highlighting, I'm gonna set my face using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I haven't used it in a while, to be honest, like on its own. I haven't used it in a while. I haven't done like a sit down tutorial in a while. Like, it feels so weird. Honestly, I realized that my makeup tutorials aren't doing as good as I would want it to. Maybe honest with myself, I'm not gonna do something that's not doing good. I'm not gonna push it. I'm gonna do more doing good through it too. So whenever, like, you know, my boss and whatever, you know, boss the right way, I could do the makeup tutorials, like, cause my passion is makeup. Yeah, but I'm not do good for now, so I put it on the side burner until my channel pick up. I continue doing it. Honestly, I feel like with makeup, it's oversaturated. A lot of people on YouTube is doing makeup. Yeah, all of them is, and then they still have all the big beauty gurus. So it's very tight. The competition is tight. It's hard for me to get in with that. You understand? Not that I'm comparing myself or anything, you know. But I'm just be honest with myself. I'm not gonna get in like, oh, me really want to get in doing makeup. These lashes are so beautiful. Okay guys, so this is it for the hair and makeup portion of the video. The curls did drop a lot, which I wanted. I didn't want them to be, you know, the tight curls. I wanted like a loose body wave vibe. I'm gonna get dressed right now and I'll come back and show you guys the outfit and the fragrance of the night. Okay guys, so I'm dressed. I have to figure out like an angle to show you guys the view of the clothes because my setup ain't really the best right now, so I'm gonna figure out something for showing the clothes, but definitely I'm going to show you. It's basically a dress from Fashion Nova and a corset from Shein. Yeah, just a plain black dress and a corset. Let me step back see if you guys will see it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. You guys should barely see. My setup is horrible at the moment, so I'm not gonna see proper. But as I said, I'm definitely going to insert clips. For fragrance, I'm so late that I'm rushing right now. For fragrance, I'm using the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. It's like a nice, youthful citrus scent, if that makes sense, because you guys can't smell it, so I'm trying to describe it. It's a very youthful, nice, it's like a brunch vibe, but I'm feeling for it now tonight, so that's what I'm using. But yeah guys, that's basically it for the get ready with me. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, make sure to comment down below and let me know so I could give you guys more. I mean, summer is coming up, so I'll be outside, so definitely let me know. My battery is about to die, so I just have to end it here. Remember, we're on our way to 2,000 subscribers, so make sure you share it up, subscribe, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.